Hello everybody, welcome to my channel, The Hall of Creation. I'm Freddy Santoso. I will help you how to design omnidirectional wheel on mobile robot with Fusion 360. Okay, the first thing is we can make red skates. Okay, now we can make cycle. I have some reference that have 58 millimeter on diameter. Can see that. Okay, so the first thing is we make cycle with 58 millimeter. Okay, we have that, and then you can make the slot for the roller. They have 20 millimeter. Okay, the first thing we can make strike line, so we have the reference for make the square. Okay, the second one we can make with we can make line with 20 millimeter, 10 to the right and left, and 10 to the left. Okay, now we can go straight to the top. You can just pull it up. Okay, now we have 20 millimeter, then make 10 millimeter. Okay, then pull to another one. Okay, we have perfect square. Okay, delete the line what initially. Now try to inspect. We have 20 millimeter. Okay, that's correctly. And another one with 10 millimeter. Okay, we have the perfect. Now we must make some curve like the top side. We must make to the bottom too. Okay, the first thing is we know the roller have 12.5. Okay, the first we have 3 point. The first is the star, the middle, and the third is the right side. Now we have two curved side. Okay, then click the face. Then we can extrude it. On the reference, it have 12.5 and 10 millimeter. Okay, we have few reference here, so we can extrude it with 10 millimeter. Okay, the next one we can have perfect man body. Then we have to make some hole. Okay, click the face what where we want to put the hole. You can use the hole function on the toolbar and then drag it to the center. Make 3.5 diameter with tip 3.5 millimeter too. Okay, click OK. Make sure it's correctly. Okay, click. Then make to another side. Click the hole function, drag it to the center, and make sure the setting is same with previously. Okay, it have 3.5 millimeter. Now we have perfect. Then we make the fillet to add curve. Click to add. Then we can use the fillet on the toolbar with 2 millimeter. Then we can make fillet to every add curve. Okay, click one. Okay, don't forget to click what we need. Okay, one. Okay, click. Okay, if you have, then click the fillet. Okay, then with 1 millimeter. Okay, now we have perfect fillet. Now what we make is the roller to put on the whole of the main body. Okay, you can see. Oh, before we make roller, we must create the 5 slot. We can make it with duplicate with every face what we make before. The first thing is click everything what you want to duplicate. Okay, we have few there. Click the bottom two, don't forget. Okay, click, 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 and click. Don't forget on the whole two, it have 2 face. Okay, we have 19 and unclick the unnecessary thing. Okay, we have 19 selected. Now make sure the axis click to the cycle, click, and change the quantity to 5 because we have 5 slots. Now we have perfect. Okay, you can see there. Okay, we have 5 slots for the roller. And the next one is we make the hole for this to the center of main body. We open the reference. The diameter is 15 millimeter. Okay, we have two ways to make the hole. The first what I tell you is use hole, and the second one is to create the sketch on the face what we want to make, where we want to make. Okay, click the sketch and click to the face where we want to make. Okay, click. Now we can draw on the face. Okay, create the cycle with 15 millimeter 15 millimeter. Okay, then make another one face with 16 millimeter. Okay, finish sketch. Okay, because we know before we have the height of main body 10 millimeter, but what we must do have 12.5. So here we make some extend for the height. There is 1.25 millimeter to every side, the top and the bottom. Okay, then the hole is made with cut extrude. You can fill the value with minus 10 millimeter. Then click to finish like before, and then we make another one extrude like before with the height of 1.25 millimeter. Now we have perfect body. You can see it have height 12.5 millimeter like the reference. The next one is how we make the roller. Okay, now we have some reference. The first thing, the roller have 18 millimeter height. Okay, so we make scratch the sketch and make the strike line with 18 millimeter. Okay, you have that. And for the another one follow, you can see there have 12.5 millimeter. So we make it half, that we have about 6.25 millimeter. Okay, The first is okay, and the top we have 10 millimeter. Okay, make it half. So the first we make it 5 millimeter. Pull it to the right side. Okay, okay. Now make the center with 6.25 millimeter. Okay, and then make curve line. Okay, okay. We have this. Now cut on thing. Okay, then finish sketch. Okay, now how we make 3D with the with this sketch. Okay, click the face and then use revolve. Make sure the axis is click the center line. Click. Okay, now you have 360-degree. Click OK. Now we have the unperfect. Okay, we need some extrude to fill the hole on main body. Okay, now click the face and create sketch. Now make the cycle before the hole have 3.5 millimeter diameter. Now we must make it more smaller. So I make smaller, like about 3 millimeter diameter. Then extrude with the height 3 millimeter and create the another one side. Okay, so every side can put the every hole. Okay, click make the cycle with diameter 3 millimeter, then extrude it 3 millimeter. Now we have perfect roller. Okay, this is perfect. Okay, so the main body. Okay, so what we need to do is how to make to think and assemble and join together. Now we right click on the body to make it a component, and then we can use the toolbar assemble. Click the face where we want to join to another one. Okay, 2 point. Okay, we have that. Okay, then make sure every side has equal hole. Here I try to pull it up with 2 millimeter. Okay, let's have equal side. You can see from the top. Okay, it's perfect. Now we drag to roller body to the main body, and then we copy that and make the paster. So we have two semi-perfect body. Now we must to do is assemble, join it, click, and click the other one. Okay, we have to body join together, and don't forget to rotation it with 335-degree. Okay, now we have two roller, then make it 5. So click and create pattern, circular pattern. Don't forget to pattern type as component, and select to body, select to component, and click to the axis on the cycle and make sure the quantity is 5. Now we have perfect. Now I see we need something to make it more colorful. So click right and appearance and click right there. Now we can give some color to the body. Okay, try to find gray color. Oh, there's gray. And then the black for the roller. I can see it black, so we can use the search, click black, type black. Oh, we have black color. Oh, now we have perfect omnidirectional wheel. Thank you. If you think this is help you, don't forget to subscribe my channel. And I'm sorry my English is so bad, so I hope you understand what I say. And thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and hello and say goodbye or whatever. Thank you.